Hello everyone, I am Asha Jyoti. I am here to explain our project which is about determining the amount of iron in rust solution by using colorimetry. Introduction. Iron. Iron is a chemical element with symbol Fe(N), atomic number 26. It is the second most abundant metal in the Earth's crust. Pure iron is a soft metal with a greyish color. As we all know that iron color is grey. The Latin name of iron is ferrum, which is the source of its atomic symbol Fe. The word iron is from Anglo-Saxon word iron. One of the most important points of iron is it rusts easily. Coming to rusting of iron. Oxidation of iron leads to rust formation. Rusting is an example of redox reaction. The iron reacts with water and oxygen to form hydrated iron 3 oxide, which we see as rust. Here is the chemical equation of rusting. The final product formed is FeOH thrice. As we can see in the above two pictures, the materials gets rusted. Rust is usually reddish brown oxide. Rusting is a chemical change that is irreversible. Chemical changes generally occur when a substance combines with another to form a new substance. Once the chemical properties of a substance change, it becomes another substance and cannot return to its original state. The rusting of iron is more of a disadvantage than an advantage. Here are some disadvantages. Rusting destroys the structure of an object or weakens the material. It is a poor conductor of electricity, which is why an electronic device with a rusted battery usually won't work. It also decreases the electrical conductivity. Factors influencing rusting of iron. Generally, there are many factors which influence rusting of iron. Moisture, pH, salt, nature of metal oxide, temperature, type of metal, electrolyte, and galvanic series. These are some factors which influence rusting of iron. That is it for introduction. Literature review will be explained by my teammate.
Hi, I am Ahmad. I am going to tell about literature review of this experiment. Crumb-Brown suggested on the basics of the experiments described by Grace Convert in 1871 said that the first stage in rusting of iron is the production under the influence of carbonic acid of ferrous carbonate, which is converted by atmosphere oxygen in presence of moisture into ferric hydroxide or rust. Here I am going to tell about the experiment done previously by the scientists. Niyagi in 1914, Iron in Ancient India, Indian Association of Cultivation of Science, BIVAS in 1966, Minerals and Metals in Ancient India, Chakrabarti in 1966, Copper and its Alloys in Ancient India, Motilal Banara Siddhas. In 1971, study of IR spectra of inorganic components was done by Nyquist R and R.A. Cargill, and in 1984, Reedus is done an experiment on Mosabi's spectroscopic study of rust formed during simulated atmospheric corrosion. In 1988, Muhammad done an experiment on metal technology in Medical India by Diya Publishing House. Recently, in 2000, D. Dunn and S. Bogart done an experiment on corrosion of iron under alternative wet and dry conditions. In 2000 only, Nishimura T. and M. Katayama done an experiment on the effect of NaCl and MgCl2 complex on the corrosion behavior of carbon steel in at wet or dry environment. JCPDS Swarthmore in 2001 done an experiment on the JCPDS power and joint diffractions.
Experimentation. Here I will explain how to do this experiment. Rust is taken from any rusted material from our surroundings. Weigh 1 gram of rust and take in a 250 ml conical flask. Add 10 ml of concentrated HCl and 10 ml of concentrated HNO3 to dissolve the iron rust. Add 100 ml of distilled water to the solution. Filter the solution into 100 ml volumetric flask by using a filter paper or tissue. The rest solution is filled in the burette. And next, with the help of burette, take 0.1 ml of rust solution in 25 ml of volumetric flask. Add 0.5 ml of concentrated HNO3 and 4 ml of KSCN to the solution. The solution turns into blood red color. Here, iron reacts with thiocyanate to form iron thiocyanate. The colorimeter is switched on for the experiment before 15 minutes. A clean blank cuvette is taken and filled with distilled water to 2/3 of a cuvette. Clean the surroundings of cuvette with the help of tissue and insert smoothly into the cuvette holder of colorimeter. The reading in the panel is adjusted to 0 by the knob and remove the cuvette. After adjusting the panel to 0 by the help of knob, take rust solution in the cuvette and clean the surroundings of cuvette with the help of tissue and insert smoothly into the cuvette holder of a colorimetry. Note the readings. At 490 nanometer of frequency, we get optical density 0.72. With the help of graph, we can calculate concentration of the given solution. Finally, in the next slide, we see a graph. The graph was plotted with the help of values which can get by the experiment to find the concentration of iron by calorimeter. With the help of graph, we can find the concentration of the rust solution. Conclusion will explained by my teammate.
Result and discussion. Amount of iron present in 100 ml of fresh solution is 4.72 grams. So we all know that the formula of percentage of iron is equal to amount of iron into 100 by weight of the sample. So on further calculation we get 1 gram of fresh sample contains 474.81 percentage of iron. Corrosion. Due to corrosion, loss of metal from the surface and its physical appearance changes. That means metal becomes weak and the amount of metal becomes less compared to initial stage of the metal. Therefore, loss of efficiency of metallic machine and lifespan of metallic objects decreases. So by knowing the amount of iron in rust, we can stop the damages. Suppose in industries, when corrosion happens, when we know the amount of metal in rust, we can stop the damages by replacing the metal. Following links are used to have an idea about this process.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. This project was done by 4 members. Our teammates Mohammad Sheikh, Asha Jyoti Padada, Grishma Sankura, Supraja Paila.